welcome back to another video. In this video, we're finally going to be doing an apartment tour. I'm getting ready to clean the entire apartment, and then once I have everything clean and organized, I'm gonna film and do a little tour for you guys. I'm excited because I've been dying to just share where I got everything from, because from when I originally moved in, I've gotten new things and you guys are always asking me where all the furniture pieces are from, and I feel like I did a really good job at getting things that were really affordable and things that you can order online, because I moved in the middle of the pandemic and in the middle of the quarantine where absolutely no stores were open. I'm also really excited because this portion of the video is sponsored by Audible. You guys know I love Audible. I have been an Audible member for years now. While I'm cleaning, I like to play my Audible audiobooks on my iPad. That way I just get distracted and the cleaning process goes so much quicker because I'm just listening to a story. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Audible, Audible is the leading provider for spoken word entertainment. They have a huge arrangement of bestsellers, celebrity memoirs, business, self-development, whatever you can think of, it is available on Audible. And Audible does not only provide audiobooks, but they have so many more things for you to enjoy. They have guided meditations for you to follow. They give you access to top newspapers like the New York Times, the Wall Street Journal. There is just a huge assortment of information that you can digest from Audible, and that is why I love being a member. Once you do become an Audible member, you are given access to 1 credit a month to choose any title of your choosing, and then you also get access to 2 Audible originals. Now, if you are brand new to Audible, I do have a really good deal for you guys. All you have to do is text Melissa F to 500-500, or you can visit audible.com/MelissaF. That is going to give you access to Audible for 30 days absolutely free, so I highly suggest that you take advantage of that. Now, on top of everything else that Audible offers, they've actually gone above and beyond to try to help communities all around the world throughout this entire pandemic with COVID-19. I just wanted to quickly share some of the things that they're doing because I think it's amazing, and even if you are not a member, you actually are able to have access to one of these things. So one of the things that they started doing is stories.audible.com. First of all, this is not Audible's main website. Audible's website is audible.com, but they created stories.audible.com in order to give everyone access to free audiobooks. For Audible Sleep, you do have to become an Audible member, and personally, I have a little trouble sleeping and I like to follow meditations, and this right here, the Audible Sleep, is one of my favorite things ever because it's just a really soothing thing to listen to before bed. You literally just have free access to stream hundreds of titles absolutely free. They really wanted to help all of the families that have been affected with COVID-19. So many children have had to transition to online classes, and you know, they just need so much more entertainment and things to keep them engaged and things to keep them learning outside of the classroom. So that is why they created this website, which I think is so amazing. One of my favorite things ever is Audible Sleep. For Audible Sleep, you do have to become an Audible member, and personally, I have a little trouble sleeping and I like to follow meditations, and this right here, the Audible Sleep, is one of my favorite things ever because it's just a really soothing thing to listen to before bed. So every time I talk about Audible, I like to share what I'm personally listening to and what I like to listen to when it comes to Audible. I like to listen to different things, but right now I'm very much into stories and listening to fiction stories. The audiobook that I'm currently listening to is called Pretty Things, and it's a novel by Janelle Brown. And this story is really cool because it actually involves an influencer, and I thought that was so fitting for the time that we live in now, for the job that I do as an influencer. So that really caught my attention and I'm really enjoying it. It's kind of like a psychological thriller-esque. Sometimes you listen to an audiobook and you kind of know where the story is going, but this one, it's like it keeps me at the edge of my seat. I don't know where it's going. So I'm really enjoying this. If you're looking for a new story to listen to, don't forget to take advantage of this amazing deal. If you have never been an Audible member, all you have to do is text Melissa F to 500-500, or go to audible.com/MelissaF, and you are going to get access to Audible for 30 days absolutely free. All right, I am going to grab my iPad and start listening to my story because I'm dying to know what's happening, and I'm gonna start cleaning this entire apartment so that we can jump into the apartment tour. So we're finally gonna be doing my apartment tour. I have been promising my little apartment tour for so long. It's gonna be quick. My place is small and cozy, and I finally just got ready cleaned everything up, and I'm gonna just give you guys a quick little tour. All right, so here is my living room. I'll quickly tell you guys where everything is from, but I will list everything in the description bar as well. So my little mini sectional is, I got it from Amazon. They also have it on, what's it called, Wayfair. So I'll link both places because Amazon had it a little bit cheaper, but then the last time I checked, it was sold out on Wayfair. So I'll try to list both listings in case you guys prefer to shop one or the other. The little throw blanket is from Target, and so are the pillows. I thought they matched perfectly. The curtains are also from Target, and then that gold rod is also from Target. This mirror, I get so many questions on. Everyone loves this mirror. Honestly, this is like one of my favorite pieces ever. I've had it for a while now. This super tall, ginormous mirror is from IKEA. It's called the Hovet. My coffee table, I wanna say it's from Amazon, I'm pretty sure. And then this little tray, you guys, I'm not gonna be able to tell you where it's from because it was a gift from someone, and I think they ordered it from like a little local store in California, and as well as these coasters, so I'm really sorry. This white chair has been with me for a really long time, and I feel like sometimes decorative chairs like this are uncomfortable. They're more for looks, but this chair is so cozy. I sit here all the time, and I feel like everyone that comes over, they try to sit here as well just because it's so big and cozy. Like 2 people can fit in here. That's how big it is. This is such an informal like little tour. I'm just like sitting here, not even getting up. But behind me, we have the TV stand. This lamp I love. I got it from Amazon, and I feel like it just matches the coffee table and all like my little details perfectly, and it doesn't take up too much space, so I really love it. It came with a bulb that looks just like this. I forgot what these are called. I have to look it up on my Amazon account. But it was yellow, so I ordered the exact style but LED white. Let me see if I turn this on. I love that you can step on this. Turn it on. Oh, that's bright. My TV stand is also from Amazon, and I love it so much. It actually comes in a smaller style as well. I forgot what size I got. I'll link it below, but yeah, it comes in a smaller style as well, but I feel like this size ended up being perfect. I need to find out what else I can put, like decorative here. And over here, I don't know if this is gonna stay here, but I just have all of the photos from my party last weekend, like all of like the Polaroids, this road opener candle, and then my rose quartz, which I love so much. Oh, by the way, I didn't even mention where the chair is from. The chair is from Furniture Mecca. A lot of my pieces are from Furniture Mecca, and this throw blanket is from Pottery Barn. Speaking of Furniture Mecca, this is probably one of my favorite pieces from their store. I'm gonna list it below. It is amazing. I specifically wanted something that wouldn't take up too much space if I wanted to sit and eat or sit and do work, and I love that the stools go right underneath. This is killing me. I love that the stools go right underneath so they don't take any space. I also really love that there are outlets here so I can plug in all of my stuff if I'm editing or whatever I might need, because I end up sitting here and getting my work done all of the time. As you can see, I have my laptop here, so I'm always sitting here editing. I have my diffuser. It's by Vitruvi, and I got it from Amazon. And then I have my little Alexa here. I'm not talking to you. Viewers. Also here, I have this random, like, this is a fake plant, by the way. And it's just been living here, so I guess that's where I'm gonna leave it. I don't really have anywhere else to put it. And then I always have whatever bag I wore for the day, I always just place it here because I always wear small bags anyways, that they don't take up any space. So you guys will probably always see a bag in the background because this is just where I plop it, and this is the one that I wore last night. And then here, you're also gonna see like random like equipment for my camera and editing and all that stuff. It'll just be like random stuff here because I just throw everything on this table. But yeah, I love this table so much. So this is pretty much my living room. Moving on, we have the kitchen behind me over here. I'm not even gonna go into the kitchen just because it's so small, and I feel like I haven't organized it the way that I want to organize. I'll show you guys that a different day. We have a closet here, which is super spacious. Here we have the linen closet, which is not organized either. So I don't even wanna open it, but I definitely wanna do like an organization video and make everything look beautiful and organized. Straight ahead we have the bathroom, which I really love the bathroom. I just love the colors that they chose. It's a lot of gray. Gray and white was what I pretty much wanted for the bathroom. The tiles that they chose, I love so much. Just like how modern they try to make the bathroom look, I wish they did it for the rest of the apartment as well. Like I just wish it was a lot more modern, everything else. Wait, do you guys love how my lashes are here? I have lashes everywhere all the time. My favorite part about living alone is that I can leave my lashes everywhere and no one says anything to me. Move on to the bedroom now. I really love my bedroom. I like how spacious it is, and I just try to make it really cozy and a place where I could just come and feel super relaxed, and that's exactly what I did. I got really lucky because although my living room is small, I feel like the bedroom is really, really spacious and it's fit everything perfectly. Thank God. This is a quick little overview of my bedroom. The bed is from Furniture Mecca and I'm obsessed with it, you guys. It's a suede, I don't know, but it's this cream colored headboard. It's a queen size bed and it is just so beautiful, you guys. I fell in love with it immediately when I saw it at the store. My bedding is from a place called Be Your Bed. I found them on Instagram randomly. And I get so many questions on where my bedding is from. I forget the color, but I'll list it below. But I really, really love how it looks. Super luxurious and comfortable. However, I don't recommend it for the summer because it's just really thick. It's like having a teddy blanket. Like, you know, like those teddy coats. Look how thick this is. If you're a hot sleeper like me, you're gonna be hot. And I sleep with the AC on, and sometimes I can't have these covers on me. It's just so damn hot. I think even in the winter it's gonna be too hot for me. So keep that in mind if you are interested in this. It's super comfy and soft and plush, but it's extremely hot, and I probably eventually will get something different because geez, it's freaking hot. Here we have a bench from Furniture Mecca as well. I love the acrylic legs on this. This rug is also from Furniture Mecca, love it. And this chair is from Furniture Mecca. And remember how I was telling you guys that like some decorative chairs are kind of uncomfortable? This is another one that's so freaking comfortable. Every time I'm doing my makeup here in my vanity, I'm literally like with my feet up, and it's just like the most comfortable thing ever. And like it's really big, but it doesn't take up too much space. And I really like that this one swivels. Like this is one of my favorite chairs ever, and I'm so happy I got it. Initially I was going to put it in the living room, but I just love how the white one goes with the sectional, so I didn't put it in the living room, and it's just the perfect chair for my vanity. But yeah, it comes in different colors also, this one. So if you guys were interested in this chair for maybe your living rooms or your room, highly recommend. It's gonna be very, very comfortable. Here we have my IKEA Alex drawers. I've had these for a while also. They're just packed to the brim with makeup. These frames are from Home Goods, super old as well. This tray is from Home Goods. I have a bunch of my perfumes here. And here, this box was like a PR box that came with makeup, so I don't think they sell that. And I just have like all of my jewelry here, my little Polaroid camera here. This is a little snow globe of my dog Lola, who passed away some years ago. My friends got me this snow globe of her and I love it. Look at this little precious angel baby girl. And then this is my sound machine. I sleep with this on at night and it's just like white noise, and I love it because I don't like to sleep in silence. I need a little background noise. Don't mind these bags. I went to Zara the other day. Them all finally opened. I have 2 closets, you guys, which I am so blessed. Thank you for giving me 2 closets. I really needed it. I have my vanity here. My vanity is, the table is from IKEA. And then this actual vanity lights is from Impressions Vanity. That is the brand right there. And then I just have like a bunch of makeup there. I have more makeup in here. We have another tall mirror here. This was a gift also years ago from one of my friends, and it's from Home Goods. The curtains are from Furniture Mecca, and so is this curtain rod. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I feel like this was such a quick little tour, but my place is small and I don't have too many things. Like, I don't know, I didn't want to like stuff it with so many pieces of furniture. I love what I have. The only thing that I'm missing is some artwork. I'm definitely planning on putting some artwork above that chair there. Either something really big or maybe 2 frames. I'm gonna see, I'm gonna check some stuff out. So I'm definitely gonna put some artwork there, and I feel like it's gonna tie everything together. And then behind me, I actually have a big round mirror that I need hung up. So I gotta ask my friend to come hang that up for me. But yeah, above this, I'm gonna be placing the round mirror that I have. So I feel like once I get those like final touches, then it'll all come together and I'll pretty much be done, because I don't really feel like adding anything else. But I still wanted to do the tour before I got that done, because I don't know when it's gonna happen. I don't know when I'm gonna find artwork that I like. And then I feel like I'm just gonna keep delaying not filming the video. So at least now you guys have the video, you have links to everything. And yeah, that's it, you guys. This was my little apartment tour. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the, my phone is always going off. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments. I'll get back to you. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Mwah.